Commissioners, Steve Sansa, President of Veterans in Politics. For one, I don't control anything anybody says because I believe everybody has free will, and I don't dictate or change their wording or whatever they have to say. In fact, I don't know what they're saying until they come up here, for one. Number two, I understand that the county commission controls the district court's purse, or at least part of it. And that's why a lot of us are here. And I understand money is what flows everything. And if you could stop it somewhere and say, hey, you need to take a look at this, maybe that might work. But in 2014, Veterans in Politics got involved in the Clark County Family Court. Okay? In 2016, we created court observers. I used to go in the chambers of these judges, asking them to take a look at what they're doing. A lot of those judges back in 2014, 2016 were friends of mine. A lot of those judges, Veterans in Politics, endorsed and helped put on the bench. But when I see the travesty that goes on in family court, the violation of federal laws, the violation of Nevada revised statutes, the violation of their own code of ethics, we have a problem, people. And we have protested. We have written to the Nevada Attorney General's office. We have written so many times to the Nevada Judicial Discipline Commission, which is supposed to be a buffer between the judges and the public. At least that's what the Nevada Supreme Court ruled while they got rid of recalling judges back in the Catherine Ramsey episode in North Las Vegas. Because they said that the Nevada Judicial Commission is the buffer between the public and the judge. But it's not so, folks. It's just not so. Nevada Judicial Commission, for one, is underfunded. Big time. I mean, when they did the Stephen Jones case, that took out all their budget. They couldn't even do anything else. So the easiest way for the Nevada Judicial Commission is to operate is to, when you file a complaint against a judge, for them to respond and says, hey, statute of limitations has exhausted. Now, that's a question all by itself. A judge, you can't recall a judge. A judge has judicial immunity. The only place you could get rid of a judge is the ballot box or the Nevada Judicial Discipline Commission, and that doesn't even work. So where does people go? How do they voice their frustration? We just want to make sure that you understand Veterans in Politics is behind us, and it shouldn't take a private organization to do what the public agency is supposed to do, is to remove bad judges from office. Why do we turn a deaf ear and a blind eye to that? Until it comes knocking on your door, then you would realize. And full disclosure, I have no family court relationship personally. I have no family court issues personally with anybody in the state of Nevada. I have never been to family court in the state of Nevada. So why am I doing this? I'm doing this because this is the right thing to do. And I'm familiar with all of you over there in the county commission.
Mr. Sampson.
I understand, Madam
I let
Chair.
you go an extra minute, so I appreciate that.
You know what? You have been so gracious. In fact, the whole board has been so gracious in listening to us. But I'm speaking from the heart. I have no script with me this time.
You're good.
I'm just trying to say, please.
You're still out of time, though.
I know. Please look into it.
Okay.
Please look into it. That's all I'm saying. Look into it. So we have 5,000 litigants.
Mr. Sampson. Thank you. I know you are a minute 25 over. You're going to owe me. Thank you. Appreciate it. No clapping, please. No clapping. It messes up the record. Morning,
How
sir.
you doing? I'm here to address some things on the record